What's going on, y'all? We're doing a little bit of flounder fishing today, fishing around some jetties. The conditions should be just about perfect to be able to put a couple in the box. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can get out here and catch some flounder. All right, y'all, so the lure I'm gonna start off throwing today is the Bugs Fishing Ned Minnow right here. Pretty awesome little lure. I'll talk to y'all a little bit more about that later on. But yeah, we're gonna get out here, start throwing along these rocks, and hopefully pick up some fish. Y'all stay tuned. He's on. He's on. That didn't take long at all. What is it? Flounder. First flounder of the morning. And that wouldn't be like my third cast. Not a big guy, but that is a legal flounder. That was only about our third cast with this lure. All right. That guy, I believe the limit here is 12 to keep. We are keeping today. We'll probably throw this guy back. Let's see what he runs. Yeah, a 14-inch flounder. Yeah, we'll throw it back though. All right, dude. Well, it is your lucky day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. So, one of the main reasons I wanted to come out here and fish these rock jetties is because we got the wind that is being pushed right now out of the east, and it's pushing that water up into the rocks, which is forcing that, you know, the smaller bait fish up along into here. They're getting discombobulated and whatnot, and it is an excellent spot for redfish, flounder, and speckled trout to come and ambush their meal. Basically just getting an easy meal. So there should be a lot of predator fish that are just stacked up along these rocks. At least that's what I'm thinking. Oh, that was a fish and I didn't even know it. Flounder just followed it up. I just watched the flounder follow it up. A big one too. I'm gonna swap over to a 4-inch gulp grub. I did catch a flounder pretty quick on that on the Ned Minnow, but I had several flounder after that that followed it all the way up to the boat. Couldn't get them to commit. Had a couple of bites on it, so I just want to throw this grub out there and get a little bit of that tail action. The water is a little bit dirtier out here where this chop is. Where I first started off on the jetties, it was a lot cleaner, but it was closer to the mouth. So I think swapping over to this gulp grub, giving a little scent, a little bit more action, might help out. He's on. Yep, I think we made the right call. Good flounder. It ain't a good one, but it is a flounder. Come here. Come here. All right, well, swapped over to the grub, hooked up on another flounder. Come here. There you go. All right, probably sitting around 13, 14 inches or so. It would be a keeper, but still looking for big ones. Bye-bye. That might have been a bite. Yep. Come here. What do we got? Either swimming to me, I don't know. Feels like it's another flounder. Oh God, I'm getting too close to the rocks. There we go. Now it's starting to fight. Ah! Woo! Come here. Come here. It was swimming at me the whole way. Definitely feels like a flounder. Ain't seen it yet. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. I think that's gonna be one that's gonna make the box. Come here. Yep. There we go. There we go. That's a better one. That right there is a decent flounder. Probably right at about 17, 18 inches. These are the ones we are looking for. Gonna make some stuffed flounder, so looking for some bigger ones just like this. Beautiful, beautiful flounder. Go ahead and pop you in the box. So right here, throwing this grub along these rocks, and all I'm doing, letting it settle down there for just a second, giving it a bunch of random pops, reeling in my slack. And these jetties are absolutely loaded with flounder. I think, yep, that might be a bait fish. Yeah, not feeling like a flounder, but we've caught 3 so far. But we know that we've seen at least 2 more follow my lure back up to the surface. And then I know I've missed a couple of good bites, so I've only been at it for about 30 minutes. We might have one on. There, oh, no. Ah, that was a good fish. There he is. There he is. There he is. Let's go. Swimming at me, swimming at me. Ah, little guy. But that is flounder number 4. Throwback number 3. Hey, this dude is chewed up by something. Something has gotten a hold of that guy. Bye-bye. Might be a fish there. Yep. Little guy. Man, there are some tiny flounder out here today. Still would be a keeper. Oh, I bit the crap out of me. Still would be a keeper, but oh, this guy is on the skinny side for sure. Feisty dude. That is flounder number 6, I believe. See ya. All right, so we are coming up on a little opening right here in the rocks, a little cut through. I know there's got to be a good amount of current that's funneling through that area. I think that would be a good place to pick up a few fish. Do I got one on? I might have one on now. I don't. Just kidding. I'm gonna use this little cut through right here and go on the inside and fish, because the current, this wind is pushing this current around. It's being swept in, and I feel like maybe just on the inside here there could be a good population of fish. Fish on. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, what the crap? Have you ever seen anything like that? What? I snagged a flounder in the tail. Unreal. Well, we thought we had us a good one. I'm so sorry about that, dude. Golly. Let's see if I can get you off there. Bye-bye. Unreal. There are no shortage of fish out here at all. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. Caught several flounder today, a couple of keepers, but yeah, had an awesome day. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, hit the like button, comment on the questions, and also hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 25,000 subscribers this year, so make sure y'all hit the subscribe button to help us get that. But yeah, we'll see y'all next time.